Very good morning, my dear lovely viewers. Today I want to share you a thought that I read recently in an article. It is about us, yes, about human beings. Human beings, when he saw a nightingale, he said, "Your song is awesome, but you don't have a fair look, you are black." When he saw a rose flower, he told, "Rose, your fragrance is awesome, but your stem is full of thorns." When he saw a lotus, he told, "You are beautiful, but you are standing in dirt." After hearing it, all other living beings joined together and told the humans, "Humans, you are super creation of God by all means, but the worst quality in you is to find fault in everything what you see." Dedicated to all the negative mindset people in the world who never appreciate others but will always try to find something bad in other person. Hope you all learned something new today. For interesting and meaningful contents, like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, Kumar the F&B trainer signing off today. We'll meet you with more interesting and great contents. See you all next video. Thank you all for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Bye. Take care.